Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tierra. My name is Zafar Khan. So guys, today we are going to make chicken lollipop with gravy. That's an interesting recipe and let's start. So guys, we have prepared the lollipop like this and now we will start the marination process. So guys, for the marination, we will going to use one egg, so guys, we will require ginger garlic paste, थोड़ा सा धनिया, रेड चिली पाउडर, हल्दी और थोड़ा सा चिकन मसाला. Now we'll have to all this stuff together. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स होना है और मिक्स होने के बाद we will have to keep this to marinate for at least 15 minutes. So guys, now we will add cornflour to it and a little bit of vinegar. Now guys, finally we will put salt in it according to the taste. So guys, now we will put the lollipop for frying. Now the frying process has been done. हम लोग लॉलीपॉप अभी ऑयल में से बाहर निकालते हैं. So guys, you have seen this lollipop is a golden brown color because we have not used any kind of food color. So lollipop अब फ्राई हो चुके हैं. Now we will prepare for the gravy. We will start preparing the gravy. First we will put the oil. After that, onion. Now we will add a little bit of garlic. थोड़ा सा जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. Now we will add a little bit of red chili sauce, a little bit of green chili sauce, and soya sauce. थोड़ी सी शेजवान चटनी. So guys, now we will going to add cornflour paste to thick the gravy. The gravy is ready. Now we will put lollipop into it. अभी इसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है. Add a little bit of salt. The gravy lollipop is ready. Now we will garnish with the mint.
Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan. Chasing vibes like seashells in the sand.
So guys, we have completed the recipe. So hope you have liked the chicken gravy lollipop recipe. Please comment, share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel Tierra. Thank you very much.